Well, what did we know? Oh, man.
Oh, look at that. What?
So say you're like lost out in the woods and you don't have any fire starters, because that's bad, because when you get cold you can't warm yourself up again. And another thing is, when you go out there, say, let's see, flagging tape. That's another good thing to have. Then as other travelers are out there, they can follow the flagging tape and know that you're lost out there and where to go to see where you are. Getting sweaty is bad because when you're in cold places, when you sweat, it like gets cold and it drops your temperature down. This is our leg.
What are we doing?
So we're gonna be cooking the bone, and I think there's meat in there.
There is meat, yeah?
Yeah, so we're gonna be cooking the bone and meat. We're gonna be shaving the meat off, putting it somewhere, eat the meat, and then we're gonna cook the bone
And then you
crack it open, and then
and
eat the marrow in the bone.
it's the stuff in your bone that makes your bone keep. That means the bone will keep healthy.
Is it delicious?
I don't know.
I know.
I've never tried it. Hard work.
Is it easy? No?
No.
Okay, we are out here. We're gonna unwrap our food. Why are you laughing?
It's just so much fun.
People like watching this stuff. Look at this. We are going to cook this mule deer shank on the fire, and then we're gonna crack open the bone and feast on the marrow. What I might do is cut all the meat off, and we'll just throw the meat on a stick, and we can start roasting the bone right away. So that's what we'll get to right here.
Oh.
I'm gonna cut the meat off this thing.
Dad, what else?
Some roasting stick.
I think that's probably the finest.
This is the most food-safe preparation
Thing.
you've ever seen.
Made like a willow thing.
Don't go down and sink in the water though. Well, that's ready to go.
Okay, I'm gonna try this little thing.
What is it?
It's
A
a
light
build.
A life straw.
Life
So
straw.
you
Oh.
It's like a little
the tab
filter
off.
inside.
you take the tab off and then you drink out of a puddle or something, and it filters the water for you.
This is our fireweed tea from home, and we're gonna dump some in there, and we're gonna enjoy some fireweed tea.
Oh, see, that was empty.
Yeah, too hot, right? We got a good fire going here. Good.
We're roasting our bone actually first. Got our meat over here.
Might have been a piece of.
Ooh, that looks good. Oh, that's good, thanks.
Earlier we made a video showing you how to make fireweed tea at home. Springtime's coming, summer's coming. This is the perfect time to start prepping and make it a plan. I suggest you put it on the calendar, make some fireweed tea. This stuff is delicious. It's great to bring in the bush. Ooh, hits the spot.
Mule deer bones.
I'm calling it in my stomach.
Yeah, I think we went too hot. Yep.
Yeah, too hot, too quick. Well, what did we know? Oh, man.
Oh, look at that!
Look,
Okay,
cameraman.
some mule deer marrow. Oh, that's good. It does taste like the gristle on a steak.
Is that bone marrow?
That's bone marrow.
Oh, try a bit of that. Oh.
That's pretty freaking good. I'd eat a meal of that.
Oh, yeah, okay. You take charge of that one.
Look at that.
Well, hope you enjoyed that video. Hope you enjoyed our little adventure. It definitely wasn't a how-to because we don't know how to, but it was fun. We roasted our bone marrow. Probably did a little too hot, probably a little too fast. Good thing is I've got another deer shank in the fridge, and we'll try this out another weekend. But thanks for joining us. Hope you get out this week and get out adventuring. grab yourself an adventure backpack. And as the famous Bob Ross always says, thank you for joining me. God bless.